David again, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2020 Harris 21-foot Sunliner. This is a tri-tune boat with a 115 Pro XS Mercury outboard engine. It's set up with a center walk-through design. As I had just mentioned, this boat is a center walk-through. So there's a gate front, aft, and on the port side. This boat comes with a convenience package, so that includes these fenders with built-in clips on the side. No reason to tie knots in it. Just hang the fender with a clip. Easy to come on and off. So underneath every seat is plenty of storage. They're all hinged. We have a table up front. Armrest at every seat. Right here on the port side walkthrough, we have a change house. You can also add a porta potty in there if you desire. Moving farther back on the boat, plenty more storage. This one actually has a built-in trash can built into it. The convenience package also comes with one of these cup holders that you can move anywhere about the boat. Gives you 2 additional cup holders and a little space. We have the high back lounge chair. On the helm we have a 5-inch Simrad, a JL audio sound system, our gauges, instrumentation with a GPS speedometer. This boat additionally has a 12-foot bimini top, which is upgraded from the standard 10-foot. As I mentioned before, the Pro XS, 115 horsepower. We also have a ski tow bar in the back. I'd like to show you some more excellent features on this boat, MarineMax Lake Hopatcong.